So after they fanned, we're going to take the chemical peel off the face. Your decontamination bowl is your fresh water in the beginning, but it's more for contaminated water. This is your ice cold water. We're going to take your sponges. Actually, these sponges should have been in the cold water in the first place. So take your, swish around, make sure your ice is nice and melted. Squeeze out the sponges. These are fresh, clean sponges. Take off the chemical peel. When I took them off, I applied forehead, wipe away. Forehead, wipe away to the sides. Forehead, wipe away to the sides. 3. Because now they're contaminated. So this side is contaminated. All I do is flip over. Clean side. Wipe away from the nose. In the bridge of the nose, wipe away. Bridge of the nose, wipe away. Corner of the mouth, wipe away. Underneath the chin, wipe away. So now it should be saturated with chemical peel. Put it in the contaminated water. Swish them out, or swish your sponges so you can get them clean. Squeeze out as much as you can. Put it back in the fresh water, the cold water. Squeeze out. Do the same process. And I'm just going fast just to show you guys what I do. Remember, you get that lip area, and don't be babying them. Get that chemical peel off of them. I'm not saying go into the skin. Just don't be like, oh, pat, 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 pat. No, go and get that peel out of there. Get the neck area. Decontaminated water. Squish them out real good. Water, cold water. Squeeze out as much as possible. You don't want this dripping. This should not be dripping. Take it, open it up all the way, fold it in half, so it's half and half. So your top part half, you should always be the solid half. The other side is the opening. So right across the chest, lay at the bridge of the chin. All you're going to do is, you can hold here, because this is a model, and then diagonally fold across, okay? Hold, diagonally fold across. Make sure you open up the nose so they can breathe, and just let this sit on their face. You can even press on their face. And it's nice and cold, because my cold water is going to have a lot of ice. It's going to be super cold. So when you're applying this to the person's face, let it sit. Make sure they can breathe. There should be nothing here. For the lip right here, if it's burning, just take the towel, apply it in here a little bit. Just make sure they can breathe. Open this up. They have to breathe. Some people get claustrophobic. You don't want anybody having a panic attack or anxiety, whatever. Let this sit for about 1 minute, 30 seconds to a minute, give or take. Then take it off. Put it back in the cold water. Do the same process again. It will calm their skin down. That's if you don't want to do the sponges. So you can do both, either or. They're a little bit pricey. Yeah, you're going to spend some money for them. That's why I like mine is just glycerin. There's some chemicals in here that I like to keep secret because I love making I took a product making class. A young lady taught us how to make it, and I've been making it ever since. I've purchased Common Balms before, but they're very pricey. I can't stand spending $40 to $50 for something that's not going to last me a long time. So their face is still a little bit burning, tingling, about 2, 3, maybe even a 4. Should not be a 5 and above. So take a little bit. You don't have to put your whole brush in here. If you don't want to, you can just put a little bit. That's all you need. Saturate your brushes. And it's cold. Let your client know it's going to be cold. This stays cold even in the summer. Now it should melt because their face is hot. And you just use the chemical peel. So get it on as fast as you can. Not too fast, but just quickly. You don't want to be like this. Like, no. Because that's going to get into somebody's eye, nose, ear. No. Just move with a purpose. You know, expeditiously. Move, move, move. Upper lip, nose. Moisturizer, you only need a little bit. Take your fingers. That's enough. That's actually a little bit too much, but it's okay. So their skin should be about at a underneath a 4, pretty much. It should be 3, 2, 1, if a 4 at maximum. Take some. If their skin is still burning more than a 4, you need to calm their skin down more. Put more cold water, all that good stuff. So take your moisturizer. And this is why I say it's very saturating. Love this moisturizer. It's great. It moisturizes everything. Come down like as a prayer, like you're about to pray on somebody's face. Right in between the fingers. Go right on the upper lip. Come down. Lower lip. Come down. In between the eyes. Come up. Forehead back around. Give them a nice little face massage. Not too much because their face is on fire still on tingle. Come around, come underneath the chin, neck area,